How's it going? Welcome back to the channel, Projects with Dick. Before we get into the next project I've got lined up on the F100, be sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Help me grow this channel, and you can follow along with the progress of the truck. Anyways, the hood sits kind of wonky when you close it, open and close it. So I was checking it out, and I pulled the hinge off of there. And that inner fender well is just rusted to crap. There's nothing left in there. Anyways, I got to get this bolt pulled out of here. I was replacing the flooring on this. That's a whole nother project in itself. But anyways, we'll go out and check out the truck. I got to get this boat moved, so get the truck pulled back in here and figure out how I'm going to fix this thing. So, let's see. So as this passenger side, this driver's side is still rusted out, but it was at least straight when you closed it. So anyways, I pulled the hinge off of here, and obviously a lot of the fender came with it. This side too, even the fender mount, that thing's just rusted through. So ordered a couple of those on the eBay. So as soon as those get here, we can work on getting those put on. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. I don't know. My initial thought was to cut this whole piece out and just replace it. I don't know how well that's going to work. It might be kind of a pain getting all the holes lined up just right for the hinge, and then trying to get the hood lined up with that. But I think I might just try that first. I know they make this whole top piece. You can get a replacement, kind of a patch panel, so to speak, for that. I don't know that I want to go quite that route just yet. I think I want to try and fix this stuff that I got here, just to see if I can do it, I guess. I think, I don't know. I think we can do it. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll start cutting and getting this thing all taken apart. Get that boat out of there so I can get this in the garage. Anyways, we'll get back to it.